Thanks for joining us for another edition of McHenry County's Rise and Thrive. I am Executive Director of McHenry County Economic Development Corporation, Mark Piekos, and this morning I am at Heartland Cabinet Supply with President and Owner Gary Reece. Gary, thanks for having us today.
Thanks for having us.
You bet. Tell me a little bit about what you make here and what you do.
What Heartland Cabinet does is we're a commercial millwork manufacturer, and what that means is if you go into a library or doctor's office or municipality, you see the cabinets and the reception desks and tops and all that. That's what we make here. Our market goes from, well, we shipped Michigan to Texas, but primarily Wisconsin, Illinois, and Northwest Indiana.
And how many employees do you have?
We have about 25.
Excellent. Great shop you got going. So can you share a little bit about how your business has benefited from using local resources such as partnerships with other manufacturers, collaborations with community organizations, any way you've enhanced your operations?
Well, we belong to the Workforce Investment Board, and that has opened a lot of, actually, my eyes to what's out there. And through that, what we've done is able to work with Tom Faber at the point when he was around there to help with our staffing needs. And through that, I also met a gentleman named Doug Pennington from IMAC, Illinois Manufacturing Excellence Center. And with McHenry County ARPA grants and opening doors, and it's just the partnership with Manufacturing Pathways Consortium has just really benefited our business. I mean, from employees to employee training to networking with other manufacturers. It's just been, especially these last few years, pretty robust for us. And we've had a tremendous amount of growth, so benefited that.
That's great. And can you talk a little bit about how you've been able to attract and retain skilled workers as a result of those initiatives or other things you've participated in?
Through Manufacturing Pathways Consortium, we did high school interns this year. We did 2 rotations of 2 interns each. But in addition to that, we've worked a little bit with District 155, especially South High School. And they've brought busloads of students over here, and we've given them a tour of the facilities, show how things are made, and also we actually have in our engineering department now a kid who went up through that program, started on the shop floor, went to MCC, got some certificates for engineering, design, CAD, and now he's part of our engineering team. So. And again, working with the Workforce Investment Board and those resources, it's just amazing how everybody in this county is pulling together to help manufacturers. There's so many resources.
I'm very glad to hear that, and I'm glad to hear that it's benefited your business in a positive way. So a little bit of a broader picture, in your view, what does economic development mean for manufacturers in our county, and how does it impact your business?
Like I said, I believe that between McHenry County College, the Economic Development Committee, the county, the cities, the schools, they are beginning to be really focused on creating opportunities for kids, and that's ultimately, if you want to keep your business going, to be able to have people staff your businesses. There is a lot of ARPA funds, like I said, and plenty of resources. I mean, the Foglia Caddy Center now is amazing. Everybody should go take a look at that. It's just everybody rowing in the right direction right now to help every business, manufacturing and others, to be able to expand and grow, keep their workforce in the county here, which is good for the county, economically, right, spending money here. It's really been a pleasure seeing what's happened over the last several years in this county. So to me, that's what economic development is. It's not just one entity, it's everybody working together to solve a need, and it's happening. It's happening.
Great. And what advice would you give to other manufacturers who might be in similar positions where they're looking to grow or expand in McHenry County from your experience?
My experience is make yourself available educate yourself, find out what's out there, because there is plenty of resources that are able to help you, and it doesn't necessarily have to cost you anything. I'm amazed because we have a ton of manufacturers in this county, and if you're not availing yourself to what's available here, educate yourself and reach out, talk to you, talk to Catherine Jones at the county, talk to Jake up at Workforce Investment. There's so much help out there, from people to training to just networking. I mean, avail yourselves to that.
Yeah.
So.
That's great, and I appreciate you sharing, and I hope that some of the manufacturers listening will take advantage of some of these great resources. Last and most important question, what are we drinking today?
We're drinking, Summer Moon. This is decent product placement, right? We were
Absolutely,
talking about it. It's pretty tasty, I gotta say. Is this the light blend?
That's a medium.
Medium blend, it's good.
Yep.
So, also a local business here in town. So if you are up and you want to meet Mark and find out what's going on in the county, go over to one of the local coffee joints.
I'll probably be there.
You might be there.
Yep, and take advantage of the naturally McHenry County Coffee and Tea Trail, where you can scan and end up getting a nice mug if you hit all of these places. Thanks again for joining us at the McHenry County Rise and Thrive. We look forward to seeing you again soon.